Yes, good morning, children. Today I'll teach you some tricks to learn the atomic mass number of elements 1 to 30. So, first of all, we talk about the atomic mass number of 1 to 20 elements. So, there is one trick. If the atomic number of the element is even, then the atomic mass number will be atomic number multiplied by 2. If we are willing to find out the atomic mass number of the element whose atomic number is even, then what we need to do? We need to multiply the atomic number of element by 2. But if the atomic number is odd, then to find out the atomic mass number, what we need to do? We need to multiply the atomic number by 2 plus 1. After multiplying atomic number by 2, we need to add 1 in that. But there are some exceptions. This rule is not applicable, this trick is not applicable in case of beryllium, nitrogen, chlorine and argon. But in these cases also I'll tell you how to learn the atomic mass number of these elements. Let's start with the element with atomic number 1, that is hydrogen. In actual, atomic mass number is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons present inside the nucleus of that atom of the element. But here hydrogen doesn't have neutron inside the nucleus, so its mass number is also 1. Atomic number is also 1 and atomic mass number is also 1. Let's talk further. Helium, atomic number is even 2 and its mass number will be 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So lithium, atomic number is 3. 2 into 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2 plus 1, 7, because it is odd number. Further, if I am talking about beryllium, this is an exception. Already I told that beryllium is an exception. What is there in this case? What will you do? Atomic number is even, but then also what in this case you need to add 1 after multiplying the atomic number by 2. So its mass number is 9. Boron 5, this is odd number. Then what we need to do in case of odd number, if the atomic number is odd, 5 multiplied by 2, multiply atomic number by 2, then add 1 in that. So its atomic mass number is 11. And one more exception is there, that is in case of nitrogen. In case of nitrogen, the atomic number of the nitrogen is odd, but here we don't need to add 1 after multiplying the atomic number by 2. So in case of nitrogen also there are two exceptions, beryllium and nitrogen. In case of nitrogen also, even then the atomic number is odd, then also you do not need to add 1 after multiplying it by 2. So in case of oxygen, atomic number is even, then what you need to do here, you need to just multiply the atomic number by 2. But if it is odd, if the atomic number is odd, in case of fluorine, what will you do? You will multiply the atomic number by 2 and you will add 1 in that. So same trick you can follow here in case of each and every element till 15, till phosphorus. So further, after phosphorus, next element is sulfur. The atomic number of sulfur is 16. That is also an even number. So in case of even number, what we need to do, we multiply the atomic number by 2 to find out the atomic mass number. So the atomic mass number of sulfur is 32. Again, there are two exceptions. One is of chlorine. In that case, we can't follow any trick over here. What you need to do, 17 multiplied by 2, that is the same trend that we are following in each and every case. But as in case of odd numbers, we are adding 1 after multiplying the atomic number by 2, but here you need to add 1.5. So the atomic mass number of chlorine is 35.5. And argon, this is also a big exception. So you need to cram the atomic mass number of argon, that is 40. And in case of potassium, 19 is the atomic number. In case of odd numbers, if the atomic number is odd, we multiply the atomic number by 2 and further we add 1. After adding 1, the atomic mass number is 39 of potassium, and in case of calcium it is 40. Just multiply by 2. Atomic number of the calcium is 20 and multiply it by 2 and the atomic mass number will be 40. Further, if I am talking about the elements with atomic number 21 to 30, you need to cram this big number 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, then 5.5 and 5. What you need to do, you need to multiply the atomic number of the elements by 2, then you need to add 3 in case of atomic number 21, that is of scandium. That is here scandium, atomic number is 21. 21 multiplied by 2 plus 3, 45. Titanium 22. 22 multiplied by 2 plus 4. The big number that I asked you to cram, that is 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5.5, 5. These are the 10 numbers, 10 different digits in this number. In case of scandium, after multiplying by 2, 21 by 2, you have added 3. Then in case of vanadium, with atomic number 23, 23 multiplied by 2 plus 5, 51. Chromium 24 multiplied by 2 plus 4, 52. Manganese 25 multiplied by 2 plus 5, 55. Same trend you need to follow with cobalt. 27 multiplied by 2 plus 5, 59. And in case of nickel, you need to add 3 after multiplying its atomic number by 2. And the copper with atomic number 9, multiply atomic number by 2 plus 5.5, 68.5 is the atomic mass number of copper. And in case of zinc, the atomic number of zinc is 30, multiply it by 2 and then add 5 in that. So its atomic mass number is 65. Well, this is how you can learn the atomic number mass of the elements from atomic number 1 to 30. In case of elements with atomic number 21 to 30, you need to cram this big, I think I can say big number. In case of atomic number 21, you need to add 3 after multiplying the atomic number by 2. And in 22, 22 multiplied by 2 plus 4 and so on. I hope this video will be useful, too much helpful to you to learn the atomic mass number of elements from 1 to 30 atomic number. Thanks. Have a nice day.